We came here to Cebu City because we think the Philippines are very nice.
We love Cebu, that's why.
We love Cebu and we are far from our home. So this is the best place to celebrate the New Year here.
It's very good to hear.
My New Year's resolution will be hoping that everyone will have a productive year at mas maraming client na ma-engage, healthy and happy lang ang lahat. And my message to the country is hoping na mas marami pa silang magawa at maitulong sa less fortunate.
Ang New Year resolution ko, sana po yung mga kurap sa gobyerno matanggal na. At maging maganda ng buhay ng buong Pilipinas.
Ang wish ko po sana mas maging okay na yung justice system natin and also magkaroon na ng justice sa flood control.
Ang masasabi ko lang po is sana po mabigyan tayo ng hustisya kasi hindi po tama yung ginagawa nila. And sana po mas marami pa po yung makulong na deserve po talaga.
Sana makulong na sila, sana peaceful na ang country natin, magkaisa-isa tayong lahat. At justice din para sa mga nanakawan.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.